Hello, I am so excited for this video. I wanted to do this video since 2 months, but I was waiting like actually a book that I maintain. It's been only a year. I started doing it. 2025 started it. मुझे कुछ चाहिए था that something I can preserve it and it's like very small moments and we can look back after and refresh the memory क्योंकि I agree that as you grow up you get caught up in so many things. Your life is on a very faster pace. Those memories, previous memories, a bit fade away. ये कुत्ते भी अभी भौंक रहे हैं. When I sat down to make the memory book for 2025 in January 2026, I did not remember any memory before May 2025. I'll show you the technique how I use it. I put it in my app where I collect, and by end of the year, I take out a print and I start making my memory book. I wanted a Polaroid size. I'll show you how it is. This is my memory book. This is not something fancy. Yeah, this is a normal diary. I just covered it with a brown paper and aesthetic. Right, like I have written this down the memory lane 2024, and then it starts with this. I want photos in Polaroid form, so I take like this. So it's like there is a white frame beside it. February I went to Barsana Vrindavan, so वो जो मुझे अच्छा लगा memories I've just written it down. See here I have a photo first time when I went to Mathura station, so I've written all these stories. And I've also written for the very first time I went to Bombay to stay for a month for my internship. So this is how I have like captured all the Polaroids. Where did I stay? The CST, the BMC. I've written my journey here. This is the cutest. First time हमने वोट डाला था for PM elections in May 2024. 7th May 20. I also write. There is an interesting thing. I write the date, so you have a clear memory of it. Address, timing. Yeah. So this is the first time me and my brother voted for PM elections. So this is what I meant by memory. So a clear memory of everything. This is my favorite. This is the second internship in Mumbai, which I went in September. जो मैंने चुपके से हाई कोर्ट में ले लिया था फोटो. Boss lady. So to take this Polaroid, I had been to a photo studio. I told I need Polaroids like around 20 to 30 of this size. So they were like 10 or 15 rupees for one photo. 10 or 15 rupees. चलो 10 भी पकड़ लो. 30 फोटो के लिए कितना होगा? 300. वो भी इतना सा साइज के लिए. Obviously not. I found a technique. 300-400 रुपए की जगह आपके 300-400 रुपए की जगह you need to spend only 80 rupees. Maximum 80 rupees. You need to open your Canva. You need to choose the ratio of A3. मतलब जो सबसे बड़ा वाला होता है ना, vertical या vertical, वो वाला. So you go into the Canva. I hope you're able to see this. It's like the vision board wala ratio. So you go there, then you take whatever photos you want from gallery. You go to gallery. This is the gallery from Canva. और फिर आपको कौन सा चाहिए मेरे को add to page. Bring you here now. However you want, you'll just adjust it off. Mainly, I think is you need to take this size so that they come at least इतना size का तो आ जाए वो. अगर आप चिपकाओगे भी को दिखे उसमें कौन है और ऐसा दिखेगा वो. मतलब एक लाइन में एटलीस्ट 4 तो फिट हो ही जाएंगे वैसा. So this is how it look. Now ऐसे मैंने 2 शीट्स किए क्योंकि इतने सारे फोटोज है. इसका हम प्रिंट लेंगे इन A3 पोस्टर प्रिंट इन 250 GSM लाइक दिस. इट्स अनफोल्डेबल सो टिक जाएगा. अगर आपको क्लैरिटी अच्छी चाहिए, ओके मेरे को क्लैरिटी बहुत अच्छी. डाउनलोड यहाँ पे डाउनलोड, फिर यहाँ पे सेटिंग्स में इंस्टेड ऑफ PNG वी यूज PDF प्रिंट. ये वाला बेस्ट फॉर प्रिंटिंग. एंड देन यू डाउनलोड. या आठवणे की नाही लग्नाला गेलेलो आपण सगळे थोडं खाल्लेलो आपण. बापरे मला अजून आठवण आहे त्याची. कुठंच पेलं नाही मी. हे बा मला दिसत नाहीये. चष्मा घालून दिसत नाही. Let's take prints. Yo. The prints are here. Da. See, this is the size I was speaking. A3 poster print, 250 GSM. You have to be very specific. Two types of prints come. One is normal, like paper, A4 paper, और ये जो hard है. It's very nice. तो ये 40 का, ये 40 का, दोनों मिला के 80. 80 में कितने आए? I'll tell you. 1 2 3 4. इसमें 28 और इसमें बहुत सारे हैं. 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 70 photos. Legit 70 photos in 80 rupees. मतलब मेरे को 1 rupee, 1.3 और 3 rupees को एक फोटो पड़ा. Is it bad? In 80 rupees you get so good. ये जुगाड़ू है. नसीब में कि कौन से मंथ में क्या क्या मेमोरीज हुए थे, क्या क्या फोटोज रिलेटेड विच मंथ. एंड देन ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल मैंने जैन मंथ का एक ऑलरेडी लिख दिया है स्टोरी. जैन 2025 तभी लिख दिया था. 5th जैन को यहाँ पे लिखा है. 5th जैन को आई हैव अ फोटो ऑफ इट. इट्स मी एंड माय फ्रेंड. उसका यक्षगान का कुछ डांस था. सो विल स्टिक दिस हियर. इतना पसंद है. आई गॉड, आई कांट टेल दिस. एवरी ईयर आई वेट फॉर जनवरी जस्ट टू ये जाके ये फोटोआ निकाल के चिपकाते जाए. हाय हाय हाय, ये लिटरली पूरा ईयर का रिविजिट हो जाता है. अरे यार चिपकता क्यों नहीं है? When you pass out from school, your sketch pen, your shining pens, they're of no use unless you have hobby like making a memory book. The Maggie Day, 12th January. Which is 12th January? मैंने लिखा है Maggie Bawarji. Means it's not me. Brother making Maggie. Okay. This guy cooking. One for him, one for me. मेरे को लगता है मैंने गलत ग्लू चूज किया है बिकॉज फेवी स्टिक दैट इज बेटर. दिस फोटो विच आई हैव हियर. अब इसको क्या है, इसको क्या हेडलाइन देंगे? I remember I had taken my brother for the very first time. हमारे यहाँ there is a king area which is in between of jungle. We have a dense forest beside us. Military area. तो मैंने उसको पहली बार वहाँ पे लेके गई थी मैं. Running day out क्योंकि हमने थोड़ा jogging भी किया था. Jogging day out. Whatever memory you have regarding that photo, whatever BTS you remember, you just write it down. It's like a form of journaling as well, which rebrings those feeling and those feelings related to those memories. This is what I feel. मेरे को नहीं लगा था इतना टाइम लेगा. पिछले 3 घंटे से I'm doing this only. It had to be fun but exhausting हो रहा है. I think I should stop this today. I could manage to do only about 1 month, about January and half of the February. Right. January. No. Yeah. Then it's February. It's all about my Barsana trip. So my beautiful photo, one of my most beautiful photo with a baby cow. It was just 3 days old. मैंने डेकोरेशन के लिए ये लाया. ओके, द स्टिकर्स, these are like stone stickers which plum का मिला था 4 years ago. Okay, I'll use it today. This decoration tapes. I literally cut so many photos. Okay. This will take me nearly 1 week. Well, this last year it's so much more about fun and moving out to a different city and meeting your friends like as if you will be meeting them after a year or 8 months, 9 months. that is how everything is filled with 2025, ending a phase and starting a new phase. And 2026 will be way more different because I have never been like this. It's a very new me, and I mean I am me, but a new version of me which I was never before. So it will be more about my big masterpiece paintings and growing as a lawyer. This is what a memory book was all about. I hope everyone does that. Most of them do that, or most of them should do that, or maybe few of them should do that. Really like this idea because it's great. Bye.